Hi friends, so today we're going to practice 3 subtraction problems with the renaming. And we're not just going to subtract them, we are also going to show it with pictures, because I want to make sure. I've noticed that we were getting confused going back and forth. We could do it with the numbers but not with the pictures, so I want to make sure that we are doing both. So let's do the first one together. So it's 4 1/4 minus 2 3/4. So the first thing you check is your fractions, your numerators. If I have 1/4, can I take away 3/4? Nope, so that means we need to rename it. So before I rename, I'm going to draw it. So I'm going to draw my top number. So I've got 4, and this is 4, so we're going to make sure that we draw 4 lines down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and we've got 4 holes. So 1, 2, 3, 4 holes, and then we have 1/4. So I draw another one, but this time I divide it into fourths and I just color in one of them. So we've got 4/4, right? And so I'm going to put my equal sign right over here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn one of those holes into fourths. So what this looks like now, so what this equals is 3 holes, because we took one away. We have it with our 4/4 plus our 1/4 here, just like we were doing with the other one. So now we renamed our number. It's 3 holes and 5/4. Okay, so now we can bring this one over and we can subtract. So we have our 5 minus 3 is 2/4. Our 3 minus 2 is 1. So now let's come back over here to our picture. So we have to cross out 3/4. So there's 1, 2, 3, and we cross out 2 holes. Okay, so this was our think right here. So now that we have our fraction renamed, they're equivalent, they're the same fraction, it's just renamed a different way. We need to bring over this one. This doesn't work, does it? That doesn't work. So let's pretend that's a 1. Okay, 4/5. I don't know what Miss Corbin was writing. So now let's cross off our 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 hole. So now, if we do this one, 8 minus 4 is 4/5, and that matches our picture. And 2 holes minus 1 hole is 1 hole. So that is our answer. So we not only want you to just be able to do it with pictures or just be able to do it with numbers, we want you to be able to switch back and forth between the two. So we're going to be practicing this more today.